Hello, Victor here from Crewe. Today showing around this Kia XCeed 1.5 T-GDi 2. Finished in sleek black and powered by 1.5 litre turbocharged petrol engine, delivering 158 brake horsepower. Paired with manual transmission, this XCeed blends dynamic performance with smart technology, making it ideal crossover for any adventures. Up front, LED bifunction projection headlights and daytime running lights offer crisp and modern look, and the 16-inch alloy wheels provide smooth and balanced drive, perfectly suited for urban maneuvers and countryside routes alike. At the back, LED lights and body-colored spoilers sharpen the look, while the reversing camera system with dynamic guidance makes tight spots a breeze. The boot is versatile and generous, ideal for shopping, travel bags, or any gear. With 60/40 speed folding rear seats and clever hooks and lighting, it adapts easily to your lifestyle. Rear passengers are treated to soft touch materials, center armrest with integrated cup holders and USB-C charging ports to keep devices topped up. The driver's seat offers height adjustment and the leather trimmed steering wheel, as well as Fox leather gear shift at a premium touch. You will also get storage options such as center console, cup holders and armrest compartments. Behind the wheel, the 4.2-inch Supervision color cluster gives you clear access to trip data, safety alerts and driver assistance info. The multifunction steering wheel keeps audio calls and cruise control within reach as well. And the air conditioning comes as a standard, helping maintain comfort even on the hottest summer days. The infotainment system comes with air conditioning, including easy manual control for cabin comfort, as well as Bluetooth connectivity with voice recognition and music streaming, phone projection, thanks to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with voice control too, and voice memo, which is a handy feature to capture thoughts on the move, 7-speaker audio system with 8-inch color touchscreen, and quiet mode, which mutes rear speakers to keep naps peaceful. Settings allows you to personalize your in-car experience with intuitive menus. This has been presentation of the Kia XCeed 1.5 T-GDi 2, now available at Crewe. For more information, alternate test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.